Goa Health Minister Vishwajit Rane spoke to Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant in regards to imposing night curfew in the state. Health Minister Vishwajit Rane took to Twitter and said the following. Spoke to Honorable CM Dr. Pramod Sawant on imposing night curfew in the state on lines of the state of Delhi and Karnataka. The file is already in process. Strict SOPs is the need of the hour as Goa is a tourist state. The Delhi government has imposed night curfew across the capital from 11 pm to 6 am on December 31st and January 1st to avoid large gatherings during New Year celebrations due to COVID-19. Night curfew will also remain in the force from 11 pm on January 1st to 6 am on January 2nd to ensure that there is no such gathering on the second day. Not more than 5 persons can assemble at any place during the curfew in Delhi. However, no restrictions is imposed on interstate or intrastate movement of persons and goods during the night curfew in Delhi. Should Goa also impose night curfew? Comment below and let us know. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.